What's up, everybody? Guess what today is? Brake day. Oh, I'm excited. I got a set of 15-inch Wilwood drilled and slotted rotors and a set of 6-piston calipers for the car. All the braking power you could ever dream of. Let's see what these babies look like. Alright, moment of truth, here we go. Ooh, they're nice. Over here, I assume this has got to be the 6-piston calipers and all the goodies that make it work. It's a lot of boxes. Okay, moment of truth. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at these giant red calipers. Oh man, those things are fantastic. Sweet. Look up in there, 6 pistons to stop my Nova. Let's see what some of this other stuff is. Some sort of adapter, I guess. Oh, nice. Some really gorgeous machining. I love CNC machined billet aluminum. Nothing else looks like it. It's like something off a damn spaceship. I assume these are my brake pads. Nice, great big pads. There you have it, everybody. That's my Wilwood 15-inch drilled and slotted 6-piston brake system for Project Redline. I think I have got the Heights front end, the IFS for the front end, and the IRS for the rear of the car coming in maybe as early as tomorrow. I'm hoping so, so keep an eye out for that video. I went to the steel yard yesterday, picked up some more steel sheets. I feel like a weatherman, you know, like, you know when the weatherman is shooting his stuff and he's got the green screen behind him and he can't see shit, right? That's kind of how I am right here, and I'm like, and you have the steel over here, the 18 gauge steel. Yeah, that's what I feel like. I also picked up some 3-inch by 2-inch, 1/8 thick rectangular tubing. Gonna be using that to build the chassis of the car. Hopefully within a couple of days, maybe as early as tomorrow, we'll see. I'll have an update unboxing all of the IRS and IFS kit for the car. If you guys want to keep up with this thing, click the subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up if you did, man. Y'all have a good one.